Hey guys, what's up guys? How is everybody doing? Welcome back to Stacy and this channel. Welcome back guys, welcome back to my old subscribers, and if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. And as you all know from my old subscribers, this segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show, and if you're new here, I am Stacy, and this part of the segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show. Whenever I do a cooking vlog, I call it Stacy's Cooking Show, but this is Stacy under these channels, as you see by the name there, Stacy under these. Yes guys, so welcome one and all. So today guys, I'm in the kitchen and I wanted to do this seafood boil for the longest time, and I'm really excited to be sharing this recipe with you guys. Yeah, so guys, as y'all can see here, I have one whole chopped onion right here. I have a whole onion I chopped, yeah, cut it up, yeah, and I have some lemon there, and I have bell peppers of different colors right there, orange, red, yellow, and green. I have some thyme there, and I have garlic there, yes, and scallion. Yes guys, and I am about to start this seafood boil. I'm so excited. Yes guys, so I will just let you guys see what I'm doing step by step as I go along, but first I am gonna do it in a pot guys. Yes, this is my pot right here. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna light up the stove now, and I'm gonna add some butter. Then I'm gonna add these seasons here, and let me introduce you guys to my lovely nice seasons that gonna spice up my pot and let it be so yummy right now. Yes guys, and this is the butter I'm working with. Yes, so I'm gonna use these lovely seasons over here guys. Yeah, just look as I go along guys. Onion powder, yes, I'm gonna be using a little bit of fish seasons as well, and I'm gonna use Old Bay. I'm gonna use a little bit of ginger powder as well. Yes, these are my seasons guys, a lot of seasoning, and this one is good for seafood guys. Yeah, all-purpose season right here. I'm gonna use my paprika also. I'm gonna be using hot pepper sauce. I'm going to be using garlic powder. I'll be using a little bit of meat seasoning in the mix. I'll be using the oregano. I'll be using parsley when I'm finished. I'll be using a little bit of fish seasoning over here, a different type of fish seasoning this guys. And I'll be using black pepper as well. And what again I have here, I'll be using a little bit of white sugar also. I'll be using just a little tip of salt also guys. Yes, hope I don't leave out anything. Yes guys, so let's just get this ball rolling guys. I'll come back to you guys to let you all see what I'm doing. Just stay tuned guys. Yes guys, so let you know guys, these seasons right here already washed and chopped up. Yes, and I'm moving on now with my potatoes. Let me introduce you to my potatoes. Yes, these are my potatoes, red and white potatoes. I just washed them a while ago, so I'm gonna chop them up also, and I'm gonna use some corn as well. I'm gonna use some boiled egg. My egg is already boiled already. Yes, so just stay tuned guys. I'm also gonna use sachets guys. I'm just gonna show you guys as I go along. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so all of the lovely seasons that I introduced to you guys is in this pot with my lemon. All of the seasons guys, all of the seasons is in this pot because I want it to be spicy and yummy, so I have to add extra seasoning. Yes, and let me introduce you. You're probably saying, oh, I'm making a seafood boil, where's the lobster? Guys, let me show you the lobster now guys. Let me show you all the lobster guys. So here is the lobster guys, and I have some shrimp right here. I have my corn here, and I'm gonna add some sachets as well. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, and the potato is cut over here, so I'm just gonna add everything to boil together: the lobster, the shrimp, and the potato. I already boiled my egg here, right? So I'm just gonna add these, the corn, lobster, potato, and shrimp to boil together, and the sachets also. So just stay tuned. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more water to this guys. Yes guys, so this is what the pot is looking like now, and as you all can see, when I show you guys the lobster, it was pre-cooked already. Based on the color of the lobster shell, it was pre-cooked. So I just add my shrimp and everything in this pot right now, and I did not put too much water nor too little water. I just put the right amount that will cook the potato and the corn and everything that is in the pot. Yes, so this is going down nicely, right? And when my pot is almost ready, I'm just gonna add my carrots in because I don't want them to be too squishy. So I'm just gonna add my carrot. So this is what is going on in the pot. Shrimp here, corn, everything is in here. So I'm just waiting on it to be ready. So just stay tuned, guys. Wow, it smells so delicious, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Just the aroma from this pot here, guys. Wow. So guys, this is ready now, guys. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, there's a good amount of water in my pot still. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain off the liquid, and I'm gonna use some to make some sauce to pour back on the boil. So just stay tuned. So guys, after I go ahead and strain, this is what it's looking like, and the liquid is below in this container here. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this liquid to make the sauce, and my seasonings are right here for the sauce. And black pepper, yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and make the sauce. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, guys, and this is the outcome of my seafood boil. This is the outcome, guys. Tell me how it all look, guys. Comment down below, guys. Tell me how the seafood boil look, guys. Yes, guys, it's smelling so delicious. I can't wait to taste right now. Remember to give me a thumbs up, guys, and leave some comments down below and share me out if you can.